Hello everyone, MOSTPLUS is here with you today. We're going to explore our soft quad-fold bed cover. This beauty is made from heavy-duty vinyl stretched over an aluminum frame, offering a striking appearance and top-notch durability. It's designed to clamp into place effortlessly. From there, you can fold it up as needed. You'll notice the sturdy aluminum frame with seals all around the perimeter for optimal weatherproofing. One key feature is the aluminum bows that form a crown on the cover. This ensures that water drains off, preventing sagging under snow and light loads. You can easily flip it up and out of the way, securing it with these robust bag buckles. With its sleek profile, this cover is as good looking as it is functional. Setting it up is a cinch, and I'm going to walk you through the process. We'll share some handy tips and tricks to help you install this tonneau cover in no time at all. First off, we're going to install our strip seal at the front of the bed, near the cab. We'll take our seal, peel back the protective backing to reveal the adhesive and apply it to the truck. We'll cut it to the appropriate length. Next up is the cover itself. We'll position it correctly, laying it down with its buckles facing toward the front of the truck. After unbuckling it, we'll unfold it completely, ensuring it aligns squarely with the truck. Then, we'll fold the cover back so we can start attaching the clamps. We'll pull down the clamp, attach it so its jaw is snug against the bed rail lip, and tighten the knob. We'll repeat the same process on the other side. Finally, we'll unfold it again and clamp it down. We'll pull down the latch from the bottom of the cover, lower the handle, and give it a few turns. Then, we'll lift the handle, use our free hand to press down on the bed cover and crank down the handle to lock it into position, ensuring it's nice and tight. And voila, the installation is complete. It's as easy as pie. That's the beauty of this cover. You can drop it on, clamp it down, and secure your bed's contents. If you need to use the entire bed, simply unclamp it, remove it from the truck, and you're all set. Remember, this is just one of the many options we offer for truck bed covers. Find the perfect one for you today at mostplusauto.com.